Well, good evening to you. A large area of Kansas, a large area of Missouri, and parts of Illinois and parts of Oklahoma, even northeastern Texas panhandle in an ice storm warning. This system won't be hitting all areas immediately. Even the first round will be along mainly the southern fringe of the warned area. And then as the weekend goes along, more and more of the area will get impacted by the storm. We've seen some breaks in the clouds. Beautiful evening. It's cold, 24 degrees, but the sky has been gorgeous. North winds at 10 miles per hour. Made it up to a high of 30 today, but all through the day today and all through the next couple of days we have been and will stay below freezing. It is currently low to mid 20s with a north breeze. Not too strong though, about 5 to 10 miles per hour. Good news is with the incoming ice storm, not expecting the winds to strengthen between now and then. That's not always the case, but it does look to be not too windy. That's a good thing. Temperatures making the wind chill feel like it's in the mid-teens with that breeze. We do have cloud cover kind of scattered around but thin, broken over the central and southern counties. We're anticipating more clouds to move our way as this system out to the west, hitting Southern California right now, starts to move to the east, and that will enhance for us the moisture moving northward, the clouds thickening, and the onset of what looks to still be freezing rain once it moves in. Look at future track. Tomorrow morning, don't expect it to be icy early. I think most areas will be fine in the morning. As the day goes on, we'll start to see areas of freezing drizzle or some light freezing rain over the southern or especially I think the southeastern counties. This is the farthest northwest, this computer model, and it shows it clipping some of the central region. Very briefly. That could cause a slick spot here and there, but don't expect much in the amounts through Friday night. Now Saturday midday could see another round clip the southern counties, but for us, our second round will likely start coming in as we head into Saturday evening, Saturday night, through Sunday morning. That'll be a first round, and this one will bring some accumulation to elevated surfaces, trees, maybe even the power lines as well. And then another wave starts coming through Sunday afternoon, but at that same time, the warmer air tries to move in, and we start to see it mixing with rain or even changing over to rain as we head throughout the afternoon. When you put all this together, that first round causes a glazing of ice mainly to the south and southeast. Slick spots. That's the concern for late Friday into Friday night. Then we head into Saturday, maybe as early as afternoon, but I think it's more likely for Saturday night. We start to see the accumulation, light accumulations, not much north, but mainly central and south during this round, as we see maybe a few spots up to a quarter to half inch by that point in time. But it looks like the accumulation continues then. Most areas pick up an additional tenth to a quarter of an inch of ice on Sunday. As we start to transition from south to north, it'll actually stop freezing rain and switch over to rain. And so over time, we will see gradually improvement. The northwestern counties may end up getting the least out of this. The southern counties may end up getting the most total from about I-70 southward. But again, all of this will see rapid improvement as we head into Monday because temperatures will warm up and everything switches over to rain. So it's kind of a brief setback for us this weekend travel-wise, then travel improves dramatically. What we have to hope is that during this ice storm, we don't have power issues. That creates lingering impacts. But the travel will improve quickly. The rain, freezing rain, I should say, for southern counties Friday, and then moving in late Saturday into Saturday night. Freezing rain changes over to rain on Sunday, stays rain on Monday. And then we're into the 40s and 50s with milder temperatures next week. A lot to look at this weekend, but this evening, finally, a little bit of good news. Look how beautiful it was in Shawnee County from Leonard and Irene Cardwell, from Jack Lindquist in Manhattan as well. So I guess on the positive side of things, we had with some of those clouds building in ahead of the storm system a gorgeous view, but we know coming up this weekend, if you can stay put, that's always best in an ice storm. And the good news is we don't have to worry about long-term travel problems. By Monday, travel should be fine again.
It's a good weekend to get to know your family.
That's right.
Yeah.